Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is day 8 on the HTML training. So today we'll talk about media types of content. Okay. So for that I have created a new page called media.html and then just type the hi to show the media HTML. So let's start it. What is the media? So media is like we last time we talked about the image, right? We can show the images in this our web page. That is one kind of media. Another media is that you can show the video, you can show the audio in your file. So that is one kind of a media. Okay. So let me show you faster how we can show the video on our folder, and then I'll show you that how we can show that audio also. Okay. For that, what I'm going to do here in this file, I can directly drag one video here, or else you can create a folder, and then inside the folder, all the media you can store there. Okay. So I'll create a folder here called media, and inside the media, I will add some video here, and that video I'll add it. Now I just added one video inside the media folder. If I expand the media, you can see there is a day one video which is available in this media folder. Okay. Now what I will do here, I will add a video tag in our media body, and then using that video tag, I will show that video that whatever is right now visible under there. Okay. So to add the video, what we have to do, first we have to use the video tag, and inside the video tags, we have to define the SRC or source from where we should get the video. Okay. So our case is we need to type the SRC attribute, and then where our video is inside the media folder, the video name is day one. So we will do that. The folder name media slash day one mp4. Now we have to do the type equal to video, then mp4, and save that. Now you can see that the video is in full screen, and then what we'll do here, we'll define the size. So for that, what we'll do, uh, width equal to 320, and then space height equal to 240, and save that. So video getting small. Now you can see there is no buttons here. For that we have to do here control and then save. So you can see that the video is right now visible, and it had the controls called play pause button. Everything is there. Okay. So that's how you can add the video here. Also, you can add one more attribute called autoplay. If you put the autoplay, so the video will be automatically start. Okay. So you don't need to be start manually, or it will be, you won't wait for anything. Once the page will be loaded, the video will be auto loaded. Okay. Also, if you see, whenever the video is loaded, it have the sound and everything. It's automatically started, along with that it's have sound. So you can also put the muted attribute, so that video will be started with the mute. Okay. So these are the attribute for the video. Next we'll talk about the audio. So like similar like video, what we can do, we can also import the audio. For that you have to type audio, and inside that you have to type that source, and inside the source you have to type src, and inside that you have to define the folder and file. So I'll put the media slash. I have already included one video called day 2 mp3. I'll just add that, and then you can define the type. Otherwise you can close this tag, and also definitely if you say that there will be one audio file, but you need to define the control equal to true, and save that. you will be able to see one media file is available, and all the attribute which is available on the video, same attribute can be applied for the audio also. Now, let's talk about the iframe. Iframe means that if you want to show some content from the different website, you can do that. Okay. For example, our case, it's that I want to show my YouTube video, this YouTube video to my website, right? So what will do that? You have to click the share button on your YouTube, and then you click the embedded options. It will generate a code. The code is nothing but it's just a iframe, and it's have a width and height that can be changes. And this SRC is the YouTube channel code, and these have the title. Copy this code from here, and then go back to your Visual Studio. Inside that, paste it and save that, and if you refresh that, you can see your YouTube video is available inside that. So that is the one iframe concept. Using the iframe, you can pick, or you can show any website, web page, audio, video, everything can be visible, or everything can be framed and fitted to your web page if you want, by using the height and width. One message I am continually getting, that how we can show the passwords, right? How we can use the password box in our HTML page. So basically for that, it's a very simple one. If you go here, here, you can create a input type equal to this type. You have options called password, and then you need to put the ID equal to maybe PWD, anything you do that, name equal to PWD, and save that. Also, you need to define a label for that. So define a label for, so label for, we'll type the PWD, and here we close here and then type the password and save that. So you can see there is a password box is visible, and then if you type something, everything is coming as a star, and then it cannot be visible. Now the next question I am getting, that the style sheet is getting increases. So how we can move to that style sheet to that in a separate style page. Although I thought that we'll cover in a CSS in the next sessions, but in a different sessions. But that's fine. So to create a separate style sheet file, you can define that style or any name .css, and it's actually CSS. So style.css file is created. Now going back to that HTML here, all the style will be copied here from, like you can cut from here and paste here and save that. So your style, all the style is present here, and then you can remove this one. So now you can see all the styles are moved to the style sheet page here, but for that our styles is the color, the red color, the green color are not showing actually, because we need to call the style sheet page to our index page. For that, what we have to do, we have to type the link here, we have to type the rel, so it should have defined to the style sheet, and then we have to define that href, and we have to define the page location. Our case is it's in the same directory. What we have to do, we have to just put the name and then close that and save that. Now we can see it starts rendering from the different page. All our code is shifted to the style sheet or style CSS in a different page. Now here you can all put all the style sheet related code here. So thank you everyone for your time. So this is our end of the HTML training. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you very much.